I'm reading out of this book that I think you need to get for yourself. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. And I'm just going to read you a couple pages at the end of chapter 3. Every chapter here has all kinds of good information at the end of it that summarizes the entire chapter of each one. Here's Ideas to Remember of chapter 3. And the chapter was called The Miracle Working Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Ideas to remember. Number 1. Your subconscious mind controls all the vital processes of your body and knows the answer to all problems. Number 2. Prior to sleep, turn over a specific request to your subconscious mind and prove its miracle working power to yourself. Number 3. Whatever you impress on your subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space as conditions, experiences, and events. Therefore, you should carefully watch all ideas and thoughts entertained in your conscious mind. Number 4. The law of action and reaction is universal. Your thought is action, and the reaction is the automatic response of your subconscious mind to your thought. Watch your thoughts. Number 5. All frustration is due to unfulfilled desires. If you dwell on obstacles, delays, and difficulties, your subconscious mind responds accordingly, and you are blocking your own good. So right. Number 6. The life principle will flow through. Feed your subconscious with thoughts of harmony, health, and peace, and all functions of your body will become normal again. Number 7. Keep your conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best, and your subconscious will faithfully reproduce your habitual thinking. Number 8. Imagine the happy ending or solution to your problem. Feel the thrill of accomplishment, and what you imagine and feel will be accepted by your subconscious mind, which will bring it to pass. Number 9. You must consciously affirm, I believe that the subconscious power that gave me this desire is now fulfilling it through me. This dissolves all conflicts. You've got to get this book. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos